Welcome to the next step in your journey. Once you're registered, you will unlock access to our exclusive volunteer platform, your ultimate hub for pre-departure resources and all the documents you need to kickstart your project.
Let's dive into what your personalised program guide has in store for you. Just pop in your nationality, dates and trip duration, and you'll get the latest information tailored to your destination.
Find clear arrival and departure instructions to make your travel plans a breeze.
Learn all about where you'll stay and what you'll eat.
Save those all-important numbers.
Everything you need to know about your placement and the local area.
Make sure you've got everything for a smooth start to your adventure.
Under your checklist, you can upload important documents like your passport copy and criminal background check. Sign your mandatory forms with just a few clicks.
Submit your health and wellness information so we're ready to meet your needs.
Purchase travel insurance through our trusted provider, or simply upload your existing policy details.
Share your arrival and departure info so we can arrange your airport transfers.
Add your emergency contact details for peace of mind.
With these tools in hand, you're set to prepare like a pro and focus on what really matters, making a difference.